How to turn on subtitles on Paramount Plus. Hi guys, in this video we'll learn how you'll be able to turn on the closed captions or the subtitles into your video player here at Paramount Plus. All you have to do is that depending on what device you'll be using, whether you're using your computer web browser or your mobile web browser, the process here is to simply click on the speech bubble on the top right corner of your video player, and there's an option for you to turn on closed caption and click the options under subtitles section. In order for this to be processed, or in order for you to have the closed caption, you actually can look into the language as well. For you to format the closed captions, you can click an option under the subtitles section and click on subtitle settings, and you can set features like the font style and font styles for your subtitles when watching in your video player. So aside from using your computer web browser or the mobile web browser, you can actually use your iPhone or iPad or your Android. It's actually a different process as well. You'll be able to see here if you're using an iPhone or your iPad, it's the same process. You can click on the speech bubble on the top right corner of the screen or in your video player, and then just simply turn on the closed captions right under the subtitles section. And for you to format the captions or the subtitles, go to your home or device's home screen, select settings, accessibility, and go to display, and you can modify your display text and size from there. The process are very similar when using the Android or tablet as well. When using your video player or when you're watching a video, click on the speech bubble icon on the top right corner, and that's where you'll be able to see the closed caption or the subtitle section. And if you want to change the font size or font style, you can go to your device's home screen, go to settings, and then go to accessibility and go to captions, and that's where you'll be able to modify those details. And that's basically it. That's how you turn on the subtitles and Paramount Plus. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!